Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to properly close your Tesla Model 3 Frunk. It's a simple process, but knowing the correct technique is key to preventing damage and ensuring a secure seal. First, identify the two specific closing points on the frunk lid. These are typically located above the headlights, about 1 foot in from each side. It is crucial to avoid pressing on the center or the very edges of the frunk. Also, always double-check that nothing is blocking the closing mechanism before you begin. Now, let's talk about hand placement. For an effective and safe close, you'll want to use both hands. Place your palms flat on the two designated closing points you just identified. Imagine your hands are about 1 foot apart, centered over those strong points. This two-hand approach ensures that pressure is distributed evenly across the latching mechanisms. Applying pressure with just one hand, or in the wrong spot, can lead to uneven closing or even potential damage to the frunk lid. With your hands correctly positioned, it's time to apply pressure. Gently but firmly press down on both spots simultaneously. You don't need excessive force. A smooth, even push is all that's required. As you press, listen for 2 distinct clicks, indicating that both latches have securely engaged. It's important not to slam the frunk shut, as this can put unnecessary stress on the components and potentially cause misalignment or damage over time. A controlled, steady motion is best. Finally, after you've pressed the frunk down, it's always a good idea to perform a quick check to confirm it's securely closed. Gently try to lift the frunk lid from the front edge. If it's properly latched, it won't budge. Also, visually inspect the perimeter of the frunk for any uneven gaps or areas that appear to be sticking up. A correctly closed frunk will sit perfectly flush with the surrounding body panels, ensuring a tight seal and a sleek appearance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.